Hey everyone, I'm so excited to have you here. And I was planning to do this launch a few days ago, but it's just been such an immensely busy time that I couldn't do it. So I am so happy to announce that I do have a website now, and it is alyonacreates.com. Nice and simple, and you will find everything that I do as an artist, as a business owner, all of my products, everything that I do, you will find on my website. So I wanted to have a place where you can come to, you can browse and see what you find interesting and you want to learn a little bit more about it. With time, I will be setting up other things that will be more engaging. For now, this is what it is. So you have my online school there, you have my online shop, which houses now all of the 15 products that I had on Etsy. They're now on my online shop, my own, like away from Etsy. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. I haven't yet put my original artwork on there yet. This will be happening with time as well. But everything, including the new stamp set, the Botanicals, which I'm so excited about. I haven't yet filmed all the tutorials. In fact, I'm planning to do it after this video, where, you know, when I play around and I build things and show you how to use them. Really excited to do it. But yeah, so that's also available there. Do let me know how you get on. There shouldn't be any issues. I have been learning a new process of obviously completely different setup. I had already some experience obviously from running an online shop on Etsy, which was very, very basic. Compared now to where I am now at, I selected Shopify as my shop because I'll probably do a vlog where I will explain in detail why I went with Shopify, other things that I have considered, and what you have to keep in mind when setting up an online shop, because there's also things like shipping, international shipping. You have to look at what company does international shipping, etc. It's actually very, very complicated, and I am glad I managed to set up both my website and online shop with just a little bit, tiny bit of help from my husband on the financial side, as in how to link everything up. But other than that, I've done it myself and I'm so, so proud. Yes, so I think if you're a beginner, you probably, and you never had an online shop before, you probably would struggle with setting up something as in-depth and as professional as Shopify. However, if you do have a little bit of experience before, you will figure it out. It is a lot more in-depth, but in a way I feel kind of safer, if that makes sense. I feel like I'm actually more in control of what's happening. With Etsy, I feel like they have been doing a lot of it themselves. You just pay for the service. However, as it ended up, they're still, right now as I'm filming this, they're still sitting on my £931. So yeah, let's see when that will be paid out. So another interesting thing I found out, which I'm kind of now linking to Etsy, is from PayPal. So again, I'll do a vlog, shouldn't be chatting about this in here, but I just wanted to come in and tell you how super, super excited I am. So what will happen now when you go to my website and you click on the online shop or all of the shopping for products, either of those links. So there's an online shop at the bottom of the page. When you click onto it, basically, it will just bring you to my online shop. So you don't need to do anything else. You don't need to go specifically separately to Shopify because it can be quite confusing that, you know, you have your website and Shopify, and the Shopify domain is quite long. I didn't want to subscribe to another one because I have a website. So all I did is just link it to there, to my website. So those of you who know me, I will send you to my website, and then from there you'll figure out. It's just very easy to find a shop on there. So I hope you are as excited, please check it out. There is loads of little things like subscribing to the newsletter and things like that, which I'm completely new. I haven't done this before, so feel free to do that. You'll find also all of the links to my social media like Instagram, and I think I also linked my YouTube there, which you would know about anyway if you're watching me on here. So yeah, pop on there, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.